In this video, we're going to review some basic Zoho Sign settings. Let's hover over Settings and open Account Settings. Here we are on the Sending Options tab, where we can select how many days are available to complete the documents we send, as well as reminders and other settings about the document ID. Also, we can find notifications about the document completion. Next, we have the Recipient Experience tab, where we can configure how the recipients can sign the document, as well as other actions a recipient can take, like skipping the signing process or downloading the document. And here we can allow redirection to custom landing pages. This means that we can choose what page or website will load after a document is completed. Next, we have folders. In this case, I have only one folder, the default one, but you can create more to organize your documents. We also have document types. If you send multiple documents like proposals, contracts, NDAs, you can create different document types to categorize them. In this case, I have two, contract and others. On domains, we can configure our domain so the documents we send come from our domain instead of Zoho Sign's domain. In this case, I have not verified it, but in the description, you will find a video that goes over how to do it. All right, now let's go to Settings and open Email Templates. Here we have a list of templates that Zoho Sign uses to send and confirm documents. You can't create new templates, but you can customize them. For example, this template has been customized already. To customize a template, first you have to select it and then click on Edit Template. Here you can make all the changes you need. To see a list of tags, also called tokens, click on the question mark symbol. Also, if you want to insert your own HTML, click on this button. The last thing I want to point out is that we also have a trash available, in case you need to recover any deleted documents.